Do you want your note to look more organized or better suited for different tasks? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a variety of built-in page style for studying, planning, journaling, creativity, and more. Let me show you how to change them. First, open the Samsung Note app. Then open an existing note or create a new one. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Next, tap Note Style. Then tap Page. Here, you will find page styles grouped into 6 categories: basic, academic, planner, journal, creative, and custom. Simply browse through the available page style and tap the one you want to use. For this example, let's choose line from the basic category because it's perfect for everyday handwriting with the S Pen. Tap apply. Now choose whether you like to apply the page style to the current page or all pages. Let's choose all pages. Then tap apply again. Now let's write a quick meeting note with the S Pen to see how the line page helps keep your handwriting neat and organized. And that's how to change note page style on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.